How's it going, everybody? It's Austin here at the Roofing Center. We're here with another stone-coated quick fact. One question we often get is, does a stone-coated roof qualify me for a discount on homeowners insurance? The short answer is generally yes. Always talk to your agent and see which discounts are available, but some of the ones that oftentimes a stone-coated roof qualifies our homeowners for are, first of all, it's got a Class 4 impact rating, which is big because of hail, really helps keep the cost down. You're not having to frequently replace your roof. And the other one is a Class A fireproof rating. So in many regions, insurance companies are willing to offer a discount because of those two things. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to walk you through it or walk your agent through it.